All right, so let's see if we can create a nameplate for you guys. So this is kind of a nameplate that I just made. Some of the things I used. This is called diamond, so it's like a diamond plate, I guess. And then I just used red and black, and we used our embossing tool or engraving tool, whichever one you want to use. So this is kind of a nameplate using emboss or engraving. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. We'll just go up here and do a new part, and we'll create a sketch. And I'm going to start with a rectangle. So if your name's really long, you're probably going to need more inches. I'm just going to go with 6 by 2 is what I kind of came up with. So we'll go 6 by 2, and then we'll extrude it to 2. I'm just gonna finish our sketch, make it a little smaller, extrude to 2. So it kind of got a little bit of a kind of an elongated cube. So let's go with that. All right. So in order to do this, we're going to click on this surface, because that's the surface we're going to emboss. We're going to create a sketch on this surface. I'm going to create a 2-point rectangle, and that's where we're going to put our nameplate. Okay, so I'm going to make it, or I'm going to put my dimensions on here. I'm going to go a 1/2 inch on each side, all the way around. And then I'm going to now we're going to go to text. So let's click on text and then hit the little arrow to drop down to text. And then I'm going to make a I'm going to click and hold, click down and hold right in that box. Okay. So we're going to make our text fit in that box. I'm going to make it 1 inch, and then I'm going to pick, I'll take you to, you can use any font you want. I thought this was kind of cool. For me it was the stencil, and I'm just going to type my name in. Oops. P, and I'm going to center it so it should go inside the stencil. There it is. Alright, now we're going to finish our sketch, and I'm going to go up to emboss, and we're going to click on the area that we want to emboss, which is my name, and we can do it one of 2 ways. We can make it stick out, and I'm going to bring it out 1/4 inch, and hit we'll make it so it comes out. We could also, if we wanted to, we could make it go in, and let's go back a step, let's go back to emboss, and then we can go with this one, which means engrave, and we could hit engrave, and we could go in 1/4 inch. Oops, let's click on the area, hit engrave, we'll go in 1/4 inch. So you can do it either way, whichever you want. Maybe you could do this side with engraving and flip it around, and you could do the opposite side with the other one. So let's do a 2-point rectangle here. We'll do the same thing, and let's go ahead and put our measurements in. 5, 45, tedious, but nonetheless, we'll get it done. 0.5. And this way you can see the process one more time. Okay, so we're going to go up and we're going to click on text, drop it down, bring it in. We'll click and hold it down inside our box because that's where our text is going to go. And then we'll make it 1 inch. And we'll go to whatever you want. I like this stencil. It's kind of cool looking. So I'll just use stencil again. Put my name in. Center it. Go up here to center and click OK. Finish your sketch. Click on the area that you want to emboss. Sorry, click on the area. Let's go to, this one's going to stick out. So there it is. I'm going to take it back. Okay, we'll go a little farther. And there it is. Now, let's do a couple more things. Let's add some color to this thing like I did. Pull it up. I found one that was really kind of cool. It was the diamond. So let's find the diamond. Kind of a diamond plate. Where's diamond? Oxidized diamond. Let's try this one. And let's do the top in that. See what it looks like. Oh, that's interesting. It's okay. We'll just keep doing it. Then we'll do our name in something else. Let's go with black. Black always looks good. So let's go with our, we'll have to do each one separately because it's kind of a goofy one. But I think you guys get the idea. Oops, we didn't want that. Escape. And let's pull that back up. And we could keep going on this if we wanted to. You guys get the idea. Okay, we can do some other things if we want. If we wanted to, we could put a chamfer on this thing. Just grab it, do a little chamfer. Same thing over here. Okay. Okay. So that looks kind of cool. Maybe we make that black. And let's add a little color. So when we want to add color, basically click on that area, click on the color, and then click out in the open. That one didn't take. Let's try that again. There we go. Let's do that one. And gonna do these little ones too. Okay, so you get the idea. So you want to make a nameplate. There it is. Let's click on this. Get it black. And you guys get creative with your colors. This is just something a little different. Let me see if I can find something, some other color. There's diamond right there. There's a diamond plate. So, oops. Diamond plate. Kind of cool. All right, you get the idea. Have some fun with it, and make yourself a nameplate. Okay. All right.